What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the Addsmile remote control car for kids. It's been sent in for honest review, so we're going to have a look at it. Now, the Amazon seller is called Addsmile. On the box it says Lucky Boy. Now, this is a car for kids, a remote control car. It's not hobby grade at all. On the bottom here we have a little dial for adjusting the drift. If the car is not going straight, you move this here to trim it out. It's got little soft wheels, but this is mainly for indoors. I think you can run it outdoors. It's got a decent amount of power for a kid, but it's not too fast. And this controller here is seemingly a little easier for kids to get the hang of. My little kids, the smaller ones, they have a problem with the throttle on the trigger style transmitters. Now, this style of transmitter here is a little easier for them. This pulls it back, and this makes it move forward. And then you have left and right steering on this side. Pretty simple. On and off switch in the middle there. It does take 3 AAA batteries, and the batteries are supplied. So you buy this off Amazon and you are going to get the batteries. It's going to be fully ready to run. And it does come with 2 batteries for the car as well. So it has these type of batteries here for the car. Check it out. 1000 milliamp hour lithium ion packs that you get, and you get 2 of them. The on and off switches here, and it is bang bang steering, so no proportional steering here. It does have body clips on here like the hobby grade style cars or whatever. I think that's just for the looks though, because once you open this up, there's really nothing under there that you're going to be dealing with. Let's have a look at the inside. We don't have anything we really can have access to under there, so that's just for the hobby grade look, I believe. These body pins here. You know, little kids are fascinated with flashing lights and all. This thing has a little light behind the wheel here that flashes when you're driving it, so that really gets their attention. The little light flashing in behind this wheel here, and I think it has a pretty cool design. Check it out, looks pretty sleek and all. But don't buy this thinking that you're going to be running this really hard outdoors on rough terrain really well or anything. This is geared more towards a child, and its ease of use is more suitable for a child, and it seems pretty rugged and durable for indoors to withstand like crashes from kids. It doesn't go too fast and all. So check it out. It's from Addsmile. Addsmile is the Amazon seller. Links for purchase will be in description for you guys to check it out. Thanks for watching.